Hi guys, my name is B.VINOD Kumar. I am studying in JNTU Anantapur. My problem solving and C programming assignment is the topic is structures, basics of the structures. Now I am going to explain this structures. Structures. What is mean by structures? Basically, we get a doubt that what is mean by structures in the C. Let us go into this. Actually, structures is a keyword that creates user-defined data types in C or C++. A structure creates a data type that can be used to group items of possibly different things in a single type. That means grouping of a data. If we get a data, grouping of a data is in a single type is called as structure. Where do you structure data types? We basically use store the data of different attributes of different data types. For example, if we want to store data of multiple patients, such as patient name, age, blood group, we use the structures. That means if we use structures, it will become the easier. Okay? Now the syntax of the structures. Struct address, that is character name, size of 50, character street, size of 100, character city of size of 50. Similarly, we can character int double, etc. Next, the declaration of the structures. Here, as you can see on the screen, the declaration, a variable declaration with structure different declaration, a variable declaration like basic data types like int character. Next, now we can see here, we can see the example program like int struct point int of x comma y comma z. It is the global declaration. Int of x comma y comma z is global declaration. Now we're entering into the main function int main. Examples of initialization, we can see here this program so that we can get a basic idea of the structures. Now we are going to here printing the value of x, y, z. Now, generally we see the arrays of structures, pointers of the structures. Let we go into the deep into it. Like other primitive data types, we can create an array of structures. An array of structure in C can be defined as the collection of multiple structure variables, where each variable contains information about different things. The array of structures in C are used to store information about multiple identities of different data types. The arrays of structure is also known as collection of structures. Okay. Next, we can see the example program here. Hashtag include stdio.h character name of size 20 int id float marks. That means we are getting a data of student name, how many marks he got. Next, structure date, structure student of S1, S2, S3, int dummy of printf. Here we are going to print the name, ID, and marks of the students one. Scanf. Okay. Next, printing the printf. That means getting the data of the second student and saving it. Scanf. Next, getting the third data. Now we are going to print the name, marks, and ID number. As we can see here, output name, ID, and marks of the student one. Next, how many students? Here I have selected only for 3 students. So I have got only for 3 students. Next, structure pointers. A structure pointer is defined as a pointer which points to the address of the memory block that stores a structure known as structure pointer. Complex data structure like linked list, tree, graphs, etc. are created with the help of structure pointers. A structure point is a defined as a pointer. Pointer means the address of the variable, which points to the address of the memory block that stores a structure known as structure of point. This structure stores the address of the structures. Next, we here see the example program to demonstrate structure pointers. Example program is to demonstrate structure pointers. Struct point int value into main. Struct of s initialization of the structure. In pointer, as we can see in the pointer, we use this star mark. That means the address of the variable. That means the declaration of the pointer is equal to ampersand s. In the above code, as we have seen on the right side of the slide, s is an instant of struct point, and ptr is the struct pointer because it is storing the address of the struct point. In pointer, as we have seen in basics, that pointer stores the address of the variable. Next, ptr is a structure pointer. Example. Here we can see the example program. Hashtag include stdio.h, hashtag include string.h, struct student, int roll number, int name of size, struct char branch of size, int batch, int main, struct student n1, struct of student pointer ampersand s1, s1 getting a roll number of 27, str copy of S1 name Kamlesh Joshi, str copy S1 branch of Computer Science and Engineering S1 batch of 2019. Here, see in the output, enter the roll number of the student 27, enter the name of the student. It gets the, as here we can see Kamlesh Joshi as the name of the student, enter branch of the student Computer Science and Engineering, enter the batch 2019, name. Next, we printing the above details. We are getting we are getting from the from the user. Now we are going to show the output as this way. We here we can get an idea of this. I will provide this PPT in my description. Once go through this, and if any doubts, put in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Friends, like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.